Solbrook Elementary School Junior Solar Spins 2022, The Miami Dolphin, by Emily Barrington, Pauline Mellick, and Sophie Klein.
How a solar panel works. A solar panel collects the sunlight from the sun and converts the photon particles of light into electrons of electricity. Even during cloudy days, solar panels can collect some sunlight. If they can't, they use energy stored in an electric grid to produce energy.
Experience we have attempted with the angle. It took us a while to figure out the perfect thing to use to make sure that the solar panel could adjust to the solar angle. We ended up using paper clips that moved in multiple directions so the panel could tilt towards the sun.
Solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable resource which makes it a good option for things like home electricity and car electricity and hopefully more in the future. Solar energy is cheaper and safer than electric grids or gas-powered items, and since it's renewable, you won't have to get a new solar panel for decades. Solar energy may also help developing countries that don't have access to an electric grid get power because many of these countries are near the equator.
This is our car from the top view. You can see what our car looks like without a solar panel. The other photos are from the side view, and some of them have a change of angle so you can tell that the solar panel can change as the sun changes. Blueprints. Our car is 4 inches wide, 6.5 inches long, and 4.9 inches in height.
So the top view, you can see the motor, the wheels, that is the gear that meshes the gear and the axle. You can see the cardboard with the paper clips on it, which holds up the solar panel and can tilt it. Then under the cardboard is a water bottle holding that up, and then the orange lines represent the walls with the words Miami Dolphin on it.
On the side view, you can see the solar panel, the paper clips holding the solar panel, and the cardboard holding the paper clips, with the plastic water bottle under, and a gear and the motor, and also the wheels.
Material choice explanation. Styrofoam. We used styrofoam for a chassis and it was recycled.
Legos. It wasn't used anymore and we used it for support of the chassis, axle, wheels, and gears.
Cardboard. It was recycled and it is used for holding paper clips.
Plastic water bottle. It was recycled and it was also used to hold the cardboard that held the paper clips.
Paper clips. It's used to hold the solar panel and tilt the solar panel to the different angles.
Paint. It was used for decorations and we already had it at someone's house.
Engineering and design explanation. The top of our chassis is made out of styrofoam and the bottom is made out of Legos.
The solar panel on our car is connected to the motor with wires. The gear on the motor is meshed with the gear on the front axle, which makes the axle turn, which turns the wheels.
For gear ratios, we put smaller gear on the motor, then a bigger gear on the wheel. This will increase speed.
While building and testing, we made a lot of improvements with our wheels, chassis, and the body.